In this video, you will learn how to use Ria Money Transfer app. First, download and install the app. Go to the Google Play Store or Apple App Store. Search for Ria Money Transfer. Download and install the app. Next, create an account or sign in. Open the app, tap the sign in to create a new account or log in if you already have one. Enter your details and verify your identity if and when it's required. Start a money transfer, tap send money, then choose your destination country and the amount you want to send. Select the delivery method, choose how the recipient should receive the money. This could be bank deposit, mobile wallet or cash pickup. Add recipient details, enter the recipient's name, contact information or banking details. Choose a payment method, add a credit card, debit card, bank account or another payment method such as PayPal. Review and confirm. Check all the information is correct. Confirm the exchange rate and fees. Then tap send. Track the transfer. Use the app to track the transfer in real time. You and your recipient will get notifications or receipts. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.